In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type the fraction 1/5 in Microsoft Word within just 5 minutes. If you've struggled with typing mathematical symbols or fractions in Word before, you're in for a treat. Today you'll learn a quick, easy method that you'll wish you knew earlier. Let's start with the basics. The first thing you need to do is open Microsoft Word. If you're not sure where to find it, don't worry, it's quite simple. Click on the Windows Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the icon that typically looks like a window or 4 squares. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see a search bar appear. It's time to type Word into this search bar. As you start typing, you'll notice that Microsoft Word appears as one of the top suggested applications. Go ahead and click on Microsoft Word to open it. Once Microsoft Word is open, you're ready to start a new document. You might see a screen that shows you various templates or recent documents, but for today's purpose, click on Blank Document. Alternatively, if you prefer working on a document that you've recently been editing, feel free to open that instead. Now that you have your document open, let's get to the fun part, typing the fraction 1/5. Here's a little trick that many aren't aware of. Start by typing the letters BD anywhere on your document. I know it sounds odd, right? Trust me, it's a shortcut that's about to make more sense. Once you've typed BD, you'll need to perform a little magic. Don't worry, it's easier than any spell. Press Alt and X together on your keyboard. If you're on a laptop, make sure your Function, Alt-Shift-N keys are active if necessary. What happens next might seem like a neat little trick. Those letters BD will transform into the fraction 1/5. Yes, it's that simple. You've now successfully typed the fraction 1/5 in Microsoft Word thanks to Unicode Magic. This method uses the Unicode character code for 1/5, which is BD, and the Alt+X keyboard shortcut is a quick way to convert that code into the actual fraction symbol. Here are a couple of tips to ensure everything goes smoothly. Make sure you're not pressing any other keys when you use the Alt+X shortcut. And if for some reason it doesn't work the first time, try deleting the BD, retyping it, and then pressing Alt+X again. Also, this trick isn't limited to just the fraction 1/5. It opens up a whole new world of typing possibilities for you. In Microsoft Word, you can type other fractions, special characters, and symbols using their specific codes followed by Alt+X. There you have it. An incredibly simple yet powerful way to type the fraction 1/5 in Microsoft Word. Remember, it's all about knowing the right shortcuts and codes to make your document creation process smoother and more efficient. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you'll use this neat trick in your future Word documents. Don't forget to practice this a few times to get the hang of it, and soon you'll be typing fractions like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to make your digital tasks easier. Happy typing!